Hey y'all, TJ Edwards here, and we're back at Bankston Motor Homes. Today I got a super nice treat for y'all today. The Brinkley Model Z 3100 finally touched the ground here, and we're super excited to have this line here on the lot. Take a walk around with me and let's check it out together. So it's got a recreational outside look, while inside it's got a residential feel and look. Look at all these features and check it out. So we got our booth dinette right here. It actually doubles as freestanding chairs as well. And the bottom of the booth part comes out and can double as an ottoman in our living area. Even got some storage space in there. Got these residential recliners right here. They heat up for you and they recline. They even got a wireless charging dock right here for your phones. Coming on around here, we got this residential style couch, but it also doubles as an RV tri-fold couch. Got some nice fur, some pillows. It all comes with it as well. They really do a good job of utilizing all the space here in this unit. As you can see on either side of the couch, we got nightstands with storage in there. Also got some reading lights on top. To use those couches and theater seating, we got the televator right here. Comes right out of your large fireplace right here. Get you all your natural heat right here. All electric, produces lots of heat. Gonna warm you right up in those colder months. Moving on into the kitchen, we got this huge island right here. And in the middle of it, we got a one-piece stainless steel sink. Got a water spigot comes out for our farmhouse design. Love the gold on it. On this side, we got the stove, residential stove with the burners, 3 of them, and a microwave right here. 2-piece fridge right here, freezer and a refrigerator. Right next to that, we have a humongous pantry. Check this out. You can fit all kinds of snacks in here, okay? Late night snacks, come on, grab some. Right next to there, we got our tile backsplash with some more counter space, maybe a little coffee area right here. Take a walk back here with me. Keeping with that residential inside feel look, man, check out this bathroom. It's unbelievable. Look at all those shower heads. And got this nice mirror right here. Do all your work in the bathroom and stuff like that. And got a waterfall spigot. You really can't beat that. I mean, the attention to detail in here is crazy. Porcelain toilet, toilet paper holder. As we move back into the master suite, I mean, it almost takes your breath away. All the little stuff they did. All these plush pillows come with it. Got a little bookshelf right next to the bed for all your reading materials before you go to sleep. 32-inch flat screen right here. Watch your little movies while you're going to sleep. Walk-in closet in an RV. You can't really get much better than that. And for all you full-timers, we got a washer-dryer hookups right in here. Hey, thanks for hanging out with me today and checking out our Brinkley Model Z 3100 series. If you want to see this camper or any other like it, come on down to Bankston Motor Homes and see us. Until then, we'll see you later, campers. Peace.